This process is automatically performed by the Power Operation Graphics Migration Assistant tool when migrating pre-Power Operation 2022 Citect-based graphics to the new TGML pan zoom graphics. An extract file is generated under the dump folder, which can be opened with the text editor to review the configuration of each existing object in the old page to be migrated. Let's open the Graphics Migration Assistant tool. It can be found either in the Start menu or on the desktop. Next, select the target project from the drop-down list, as well as the page to migrate to the new TGML graphics. In this example, we will use the PLS example project, and we will select the following page, SLD 33kV IEC, to convert to TGML. You can choose to outline the missing objects if there are no matching components for the migration, as well as generate missing objects to generate a basic component that does not exist in a new graphics editor. Click the Begin Processing button to start the migration of the page. Wait until the process is completed. Once the migration is completed, check for objects that could not be mapped to a component in the new graphics editor using the Power Operation Graphics Migration Assistant messages and the generated log files, which you can see by clicking on the Open Log Folder button. Lastly, under the dump folder, an extract file is generated which you can open with a text editor to review the configuration of each existing object in the old page to be migrated. Click on the Open Dump folder to navigate to this file. Let's now look at the process TGML graphics. Click Finish to finalize the process. From the desktop, open the Power Operations folder and select Graphics Editor. The new TGML page can now be opened with the graphics editor to confirm the page has been migrated properly and to make any necessary modifications to create a fully functional TGML page. If the checkbox to generate missing objects is used, a basic component that does not exist in the new graphics editor is generated as a visual indication with the placeholders on the page to demonstrate the objects that could not find a mapping component in the new graphics editor. This allows engineers to review the migration and create those components that do not exist to adjust the new graphics. This concludes the Graphic Migration Assistant tool, Export Process for Migration. We will look at other details of the migration process in another video. Until then, thank you.